Alright, well, we just received a package in the mail. I'm covering up the address of where it come from. So let's see what's in here. It looks like we have, if I can get this open. One little foot plate. Look at those. Aren't they so nice? Check them out. Look how little they are. My little feet. So let's see how much difference there is. Alright, so this is the right foot plate versus my right foot plate. So, roughly looking at a lot of difference there. That will actually get me through quite a bit more doorways. So, we'll get these installed. Alright, so we have got these loosened up with 5mm. These are loose. Those are loose. We'll get these off real quick and we'll be back. Okay, so these are original ones that come off the F3. These are the ones that were sent from Dan from Oregon. Thank you, Dan. I'll get these cleaned up and get them back to you. So, I kind of wanted to show you the difference as my dog is checking them out. So they are roughly about 8 inches versus my hands are 9, so these are roughly maybe 6 inches. So that's going to make a huge difference to get in and out. Well, let's get these on and we'll go from there. Okay, so if we take a step back, you can see actually how much of a difference these foot plates do make in narrow. The one on this side here is the narrow, and obviously this is the original. Obviously this is the original. So there's a huge difference. Huge, not huge. Well, let's get the bolts on. We'll get them tightened and go from there.